Feels like a nightmare and it's painful me. 'Cause nobody wants to die too fast. Remember day when we now strange from me. I can see your face, I can hear your voice. Remember day when and it's painful me. 'Cause
And we're back. So we just cooled off a little bit and gotta continue to go. So hopefully I don't fall. Trying to cross this oasis here. There we go. You okay, Jose?
Remember when we first made it up here?
Yeah.
Oh, that was an accomplishment.
Yeah.
I think you should let me go and then I'll grab that thing down there. Okay? So it looks dangerous for you to go like. Actually, hold on, let me see something. What's over here? Yeah, there's a trail over here. Jose, there's an easier trail over here.
Back to the main trail?
It goes right back to where you are.
Alright.
But it's not steep. You don't got that steep right there. Ah, shit.
You okay?
Yeah, I dropped my glasses.
Drop my glasses.
That's why I got a backup point in the car. You see? This is an easier trail. This is where that kid that was a girl looking came from.
There had been a ship there.
Woo.
Oh my god.
You alright there?
Yeah.
Alright. Woo! Like, yo, Jose, if you ever feel like you're losing balance because of that thing, just like drop it. So yeah. So what was the best part of the camping trip thus far? Or hiking trip, or falling?
Being with you guys, really. I wouldn't want to do this on my own.
Hell no. I agree with you there. Actually, you see that spot there?
Yeah.
That look like you could just sit there and just like have water go up your butt.
Hey, I got a question, you two. What would it have? Do you think it would have been better or worse if I wasn't around?
It could have probably been worse.
How so?
Because you help a lot. You know, I think the more people come, the more chances of you having more fun.
Yeah.
Because like, not a lot of jobs. Oh my God, look at that. It's like a little pool.
Cool. Oh, shit.
You got less. There's less to carry because you could distribute it amongst everybody. So not one person has to carry a lot of things.
I'm carrying a lot of things.
Well,
You're excited with the power.
other than that, you don't have to carry all the time. We take breaks, you know.
We don't even have Kit Kat bars.
Ah, shit.
Alright, once we get down from here, these guys get next.
All right. Well, yeah. It was an interesting experience. How many nights were we out here for? 3 nights, right? Yeah. Well, actually, no, 2. Thursday into Friday, and then Friday to Saturday, which is today. Today's Saturday. So 2 nights out here, 3 days. Not bad. We didn't get to climb the mountain all the way up, but you know, we'll be more prepared for next time. we'll be carrying much lighter.
Yeah.
Just carry what we really need.
You look at me when you do that, when you say that, because I need to carry lighter.
Yes. So, just bring what we need. You know?
Looks like we have somebody coming up. I can see them.
Yeah.
So far, I only see one.
So, you know, it was fun. You know? It wasn't the most horrible hiking like they say that, you know, because when you carry a lot of shit.
So is this the ultimate camping trip?
It was ultimate, alright. But it was a learning experience. You know, it was the first one. We learned what we need to bring, what we don't need to bring. So next time, it'll be much easier. Especially for the fire. I think next time I'm bringing fuel. Just light that bitch up. And hopefully it won't be a rain, cold weather. Good morning. Oh, sorry. But yeah. You okay, Jose? So yeah. Psst, Adrian. He's flirting.
His phone doesn't work, so he's not gonna get her number. He's never gonna see her again because he lives in Jersey. And who knows where she lives?
She looks like she lives in Canada. She has that
Really?
French accent.
You heard her talking?
Yeah. Don't look. Jose.
You know, it'd be awesome if he's done talking and he has no idea where we are. You want him?
We'll speed a little bit further down. He just ah! Oh, Jose, you funny. He's still talking to her, son. He's still kicking it. There he is.
Huh?
Oh shit, he's coming. There he is.
I'm trying to keep a straight face. We don't know what happened.
Nothing. Ah!
Even in the wild.
There's some baggy pants you wearing, Jose.
Done.
You okay?
Yeah.
Drop it.
Dude, it is not easy even going down. Going downhill.
But it's less winded.
Yeah.
We would take less breaks.
I think it's a mushroom.
Alright, who's going to take this back?
Hey, if you eat this, you'll grow in size.
No, thank you.
Mario does it,
Well, look at Mario now.
but I thought you were Mario.
It's a
Come on.
spider.
Mario.
You'll be like 100 feet tall, man.
No, thank you.
Threw a mushroom at him.
You get a number?
No.
Oh.
We'll go down there and then we
She says she has a boyfriend. Yo, my luck is terrible.
Wait, did you really ask her?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
wow. You're bold, Jose. You're a bold man.
Bold doesn't get me anywhere. It doesn't get me numbers.
That's what chloroform's for.
Huh?
Nothing.
Say it. Hey, who's going to carry this bag? I've been carrying it.
Down here.
Like, you leaving me with the bag?
You're okay. You're stronger than me and Adrian combined.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey,
You are.
muscle, he gets 9.
What nonsense?
He said,
Oh, yeah, you have those New Jersey privileges.
he said New Jersey.
That does not make sense at all.
I'm gonna take a break.
Privileges.